Hello and welcome to our video on Harshad Mehta, one of the most notorious stockbrokers in Indian history. Mehta's rise and fall in the stock market is a story that has captivated and shocked many in India. In this video, we'll take a closer look at who Harshad Mehta was, what he did, and how his actions led to a financial scandal that shook the nation. Who was Harshad Mehta? Harshad Mehta was born in 1954 in a middle-class family in Mumbai. He started his career as a jobber on the Bombay Stock Exchange in the 1980s and soon became known for his aggressive trading strategies. Mehta quickly rose to fame and became one of the most influential stockbrokers in India. What did Harshad Mehta do? Mehta's success in the stock market was largely due to his ability to exploit loopholes in the banking system. He used a technique called circular trading, where he would buy and sell shares of companies back and forth between a group of brokers, artificially inflating the stock price. He also used fake bank receipts to obtain loans from banks, which he used to invest in the stock market. Mehta's fraudulent activities led to a surge in stock prices, and many investors followed his lead, believing that they too could make a fortune. The scandal. Mehta's scam was eventually uncovered in 1992, and it was revealed that he had siphoned off millions of rupees from the banks using fake receipts. The revelation led to a huge drop in the stock market, causing many investors to lose their life savings. Mehta was arrested and spent several years in prison, where he died of a heart attack in 2001. Impact. The Harshad Mehta scandal was a wake-up call for the Indian financial system, which was forced to introduce reforms to prevent similar frauds from happening again. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, (SEBI), was created to regulate the stock market, and new laws were passed to increase transparency and accountability in the banking sector. Conclusion. In conclusion, Harshad Mehta's life and legacy serve as a reminder of the importance of ethical conduct in the financial sector. While he was a successful trader, his fraudulent actions had devastating consequences for many innocent investors. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the Harshad Mehta scandal and its impact on Indian financial history. Thank you for watching.